Yeah, y'all. Unfortunately, unfucking-fortunately, I'ma voice my frustration real quick for y'all. We back on there again on Glenwood. This shit is a little thin this year. Well, really thin, due to the fact of the cat kind of want to be on some real crab ass shit today. When in reality, they could have just got together, you feel me? And they could have put some shit together where everybody can get the fuck along and have a successful day with 404. Let me rephrase that. Glenwood Day, y'all. Glenwood Day. I'm gonna just keep it a bean with you. But unfortunately, it ain't gonna be no party this year. You know, I guess they a little jealous from last year, and they ain't like what they seen when they got back to work Monday, or somebody done chewed they ass out. You know what I mean? When a bitch really ain't do shit last year. But to each his own. Yeah, they done fucked it up for everybody this year. Look at this shit. This shit ain't even necessary. Y'all remember them infamous gas stations from last year, but bitch was getting loose over there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, you see this shit right here, man? They done cleared the flea market out. This was nothing like this last year. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit. Hey, yeah, I'm pissed off this year. I'm pissed. I just say, look at that. Man, cats got the old schools out here and everything. I seen niggas bringing old schools on trailers, y'all. Yeah. Same way back in Florida, how they did Roots Fest, Mango Fest, all these festivals, you know what I mean? Bitch can't even have a good time no more. Look at this shit, man. Fucked up everybody money this year. Everybody money. And they make it seem like, bitch, they had shootings and fightings last year. Ain't none of that shit going on. Everybody had a smooth ass motherfucking day last year on Glenwood Day. But again, I guess the cat kind of was bitter as fuck and wanted to goddamn say, oh, we gonna show y'all niggas this year. We gonna shut everything down. We don't want y'all to have fun because we gotta goddamn work. They could have got together, man, with some people and say, listen, we gonna let y'all have y'all do y'all thing. Once that shit get too crazy, then we gonna shut y'all niggas down. But other than that, y'all can be cool. Y'all be cool, we be cool. That's it. But unfortunately, they wanna act like Clayton County ass crab. And it ain't even that motherfucking serious, man. It ain't that goddamn serious, boy. A lot of people, y'all know the economy fucked up right now. You know what I mean? People could have made some money today. But I guess y'all say, nah, we gonna keep y'all, we gonna put some pressure on y'all ass. We don't want y'all doing shit. So, I mean, it is what it is. You know, little people are, yeah, people mad. People mad, people can't make no money. People out here just, that shit is a real disappointment this year, boy. A real disappointment. DeKalb fucking crab ass county. I tell you. Man, it's so bad, y'all. They done run the fucking helicopter out. Why the fuck you bring the helicopter out? They act like a bitch really out here goddamn and committing some crazy shit, man. They need to tighten up. They done fucked up the church's money this year, man. Yeah, for sure. They done fucked up the church's money this year, man. Damn, boy. Them folks, y'all. Them folks. Fucked up the church's money, man. Oh. Let me show you how crab their asses is this year. They had like a bitch was out here goddamn killing the bitch last year, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this shit down the street, man. They riding up and down the goddamn street. Know what I mean? All this was swole last year, swole. Even the crackhead Trick Off Motel right across the street, that bit was swole last year. But, hey man, last year was the perfect storm, y'all. That's all it was. I guess they said, bitch, y'all ain't had no fun no more. Look at him, oh Lord, look at him, Lord, look at him, oh Lord. Being on some real crab ass shit, look at him. Being real crabs, y'all. I tell y'all, man, look at this shit, man. This shit could have been lit today. This shit could have been a real party. No Diddy, but a party. Now look at them, they running. Look at them, y'all, running up and down the street. Boy, look at them, running up and down the street. For no fucking reason. This shit go all the way down, bro. Look at this shit, man. Look at this shit, dawg. Let me go on back, man. I might go on the other end of Glenwood. Yeah, man, they done fucked up the church's money this year, y'all. Bitch can't make no money. Bitch can't hang out. Bitch can't even got them drink or smoke good. But dog, they don't even give a fuck. He still gonna get lit. Yo. Oh Lord. Ooh, Lord have mercy, boy. Thought we were finna hang out good tonight for this evening. These bitches up and down Glenwood, boy. Troll every fucking way.